right. What do we got here this morning? Welcome back to Crypto Clown World. Finally got my live stream to work on mobile. I don't know why it wouldn't work before. YouTube was just telling me there was some sort of ridiculous restriction. So here we are. It is Sunday. What is it now? The 3rd of September, I believe, already. Got the moon still out. Sun's peeking up. Bitcoin's hovering around, just below 26K. And this is what I've got behind me, folks. This is what we're looking at today. So, everybody's just out walking their dog. Well, Bitcoin kind of walks the dog. Oh, what do we have up here? Just a little random chemtrail action. Nothing to worry about. So, what are we really looking at today? What's going on in terms of where crypto is headed? Is Bitcoin going up or down in clown world? Do we know? Does it matter? Short term, no, it really doesn't. And the idea right now is that you should probably just be accumulating as much Bitcoin and as much crypto as you can. We don't have that much more time left in accumulation. It's not going to be that much longer. And, if we see that catastrophic dip, that's when it's going to be time to, sell the farm and go all in. So, the idea right now is to be also accumulating a cash position on the side, because I think we do have good potential for lower prices. Check out this scene behind me, folks. This is so awesome. Sunrise looks amazing, and then we've got this guy just streaking across. So anyway, what I'm really seeing right now is that it's just time to be on your grind. And it's cliche and it's easy to say, and a lot of influencers and people that have been in the space for a while say it, but I think it's the most important thing that can be said right now is that it's time to grind, folks, and that's what I'm ready to do, and that's where we're heading. So I think it doesn't really matter in the long run. At 25K right now, if you're DCAing in at these levels, I think it's a great idea. I think it's really a great idea. So, even if we go down to 16K, or some people are saying we're going to make a new low of 14.8, or, there's still people hollering for 10K or, sub 10K. Well, I'm not so sure about that. Oh my goodness, look at this dog. Look at him, folks. What is he doing? Where's his owner? Oh, there he is. He's over there. Okay. So, I, for one, I'm just going to continue to average into the market. I'm going to continue to pour as much time, energy, and resources into the market as I can. I'm going to continue to do as much research as I can. And I'm just going to continue to push. And that's what I would ask you to do. And, that's what I would ask you to ask of yourself if you're going to be taking this journey with me. So, right now it's maybe a little bit of a pep talk. And I think maybe that's a little bit of what everyone needs. We've been grinding for a while and we're just continuing to grind. And I think a lot of us haven't really, especially from certain holdings that we've been accumulating over the last 12 to 18 months, outside of, say, Bitcoin and Ethereum, or your XRP and whatnot. If you weren't accumulating those at the lows last year, a lot of the other altcoins and other coins have definitely hit new lows. So the idea would be, if you believe in those projects, you probably want to be averaging in on those projects right now. If you're down on a project, if you're down 20% or 50% or 80% or whatever it might be, however much you're down, depending on some of the bags I'm holding, I'm down that much on certain projects. I'm not gonna mince words about it. Some of my bags are down. They're heavily down. Some of them look real good. Some of them I'm just building and building and building, and we're just gonna keep building. So it just depends on where you're at with everything. But what I really always encourage, if you're down on a bag and you believe in the project, just continue to average in. Whatever is a tolerable risk level for you. If the price comes down 20% lower than your entry, you should average in. If the price comes down 50% lower than your entry, you should average in. And keep in mind, when you average in, say you buy, whatever, $100 worth, and it goes down 50%. Well, if you put in another $100, you're going to get twice as much as you did the first time, just from that buy. So you'll be able to bolster your position quite a bit more if you're willing to, hunker down and get her done and go ahead and average in and just make it happen. So I'm doing that in about half a dozen projects right now, and I will continue to do that. And even if 2, 3, 4 of them don't come through for me, I believe the profits that I'll reap from the others will more than make up for that. But honestly, if you're getting into good projects, solid projects that have shown that they have created some market structure, and I'm not going to get into TA on this video. I know you usually see me do that on the channel. I'm just going to do something a little different this morning, just because I happened to be out, couldn't sleep, just wanted to take a walk, and just get a little air. So stretch out. Sunday morning, just kind of get everything moving a little bit, and maybe I'll take a nap later or whatever if I have to. Old man status. But for right now, we're up early, and we're gonna get ready to grind. We're gonna get ready to get set to see what this coming week brings us, since we're heading into a new month here. A lot of people have talked about how September's a bearish month. Well, there is a little caveat to that, and September's in a year prior to an election year have actually been bullish historically. So we'll see if that trend plays out. As I said, I'm just continuing to average into the market. If we see some profits come in at the end of the year, maybe we should take those and see if we can reposition going into next year. And disclaimer, of course, nothing that I'm getting into on this channel is financial advice. I would ask that you get yourself a financial advisor, do your own research and due diligence before jumping into any project, coin, investment, or trade. I am not a financial advisor myself, and I do not even play one on TV. I'm just here to take a look at the crypto markets and see what's happening. So, bring you guys a few honks from Clown World, and that's about it. So, just getting some steps in this morning, like I said, and just seeing if maybe anybody was up out there, but looks like maybe you're not up yet on a Sunday morning, and I understand that. I'm usually not up this early on a Sunday morning either, but I keep some pretty weird hours these days, so yeah, I'll probably cut it short here. Again, I'm just going to say, just continue to grind, just continue to build your portfolio. Make sure that you're building your portfolio in different areas. I do have a roadmap built out in my Discord. If anyone hasn't checked that out yet, I really do encourage you to go take a look, because it will give you the opportunity to build out a portfolio in all the important areas of crypto, so that you can kind of get a little bit of diversification and spread your risk a little bit, so that you can potentially take advantage of different narratives and trend stacking opportunities in this coming run. So that's probably about all I've got to say. I'm Jason Bruce. This is Crypto Clown World. I hope you guys enjoyed this a little bit different format, shorter video, walk and talk kind of a thing. Sorry that none of you were up this morning to jump on and ask questions, but maybe I will jump on another live later today or tomorrow when I have time, and we can see if we can field some questions over the holiday and get an idea of where we're going into next week. So thanks everybody. Again, this is Jason Bruce. This is Crypto Clown World. Glad to be back, and have yourselves a fantastic day. Take care.